Hi, this is Eric from EJ's Music. I just did a video regarding this Cantwell Silverware box Resonator guitar. So I didn't play it in that video. Got it plugged in here. So we are going through, as usual, the Honeytone amplifier, which runs on a 9-volt battery. You can pick these up at most music stores for $30, maybe even $40, depending if you're in Canada or the US. Thing with the piezos, they like to feedback. And if you're using distortion, like a psychonaut, then you will get major distortion. So, if you're using a guitar with a piezo, you might want to use caution if you're going to have something like the Honeytone amp on your belt. So if you're going to have it on your belt while you're out in public playing, you might have a problem.
Test, 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 1, 2, 3. Test, 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 1, 2, 3.
Piezo is the same type as, if you look back at the microphone that I did, that uses a piezo as well. So any piezo guitar, you could do things. And you'd want to use caution if you wear rings while you play. If you hit the frets, it's going to come through the amplifier easily. But you can do things like that. If you're playing and don't have a drummer, there are drum apps you can put on your phone or tablet. I'm recording through a tablet, so I can't show you the app right now. I think it's called Loops. It's a free download, and it has countless drumming options. And if you plug that into a mixer and then to your guitar amplifier, my guitar amplifier is a Roland, and on the top I mounted a small mixer. So I can put microphones through it, the tablet and the guitar all at the same time. So this one here, I believe, is spoken for, but I do have another box. I'm going to be making another one. Not sure exactly when, but it will likely be soon. So if you keep an eye on my Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, and if you want to follow me on TikTok account does have videos that I don't post here. And for the TikTok, you look up EJ's Cigar Box Guitars, and you'll find many videos that never get posted to YouTube. YouTube is only sound samples. So If you want to inquire about something, if it's for sale, if you want something special made for you, shoot me a message. Have a good day.